if you did want to adjust that, you need to adjust these adjustment screws at the front of each individual saddle. So you will have had a small Allen key provided in your guitar kit. And the way to adjust that is just to insert that. And turning counterclockwise will loosen it, that will lower. Turning clockwise will raise it. But you also need to achieve the right balance between the two. So you'll see you've got adjustment screws on both sides of each saddle. You want to make sure they're even, otherwise the saddle will sit on an angle. And it's getting better, but still could do with a little more. You'll typically find you'll adjust those saddles also in line with the radius of the neck. So towards the middle, those saddles will typically be higher, and that will just match the actual radius of the neck. Okay, so that's about right. But as I said, that's how you go about making that adjustment, is just to adjust these individual saddles. Okay, so we'll get the guitar in tune again.